Hi everybody, welcome to another showing of Ryan and I. I'm Zach, and this is my roommate Ryan Kelly.
Hey, I'm Ryan.
Yeah, that's Ryan. But for real, he's a pretty cool guy. I decided I'd introduce him to you. He's my roommate. He's also one of my brothers in Triangle.
You can find me on Match.com.
Anyways, a lot of my questions in my autobiographical speech at the end were concerning my 3D printer, so I thought I would introduce you guys to that. This is it. This is the introduction to my 3D printer. It's awesome. I got it about 2 months ago. It comes disassembled. It was about $400, so it kind of hurts your bank account a little bit, actually a lot of it. But overall, I thought it was worth it. It took me about a month to completely put it together. But it was a fun process. You know, the benefits of putting it together yourself is you know exactly how everything works. So when something breaks, which things have broke, you pretty much know how to fix it right away. So that's the benefit of that. It's pretty messy. There's a ton of wires. I don't know if you can see them from there. But all around, you know, you don't move it that much, so it's not a big deal. So I'll explain some of my prints to you. I already showed you guys the chest piece. This is my first semi-successful print. It's kind of warped there. You can see the hotbed was a little too hot, and it warped the bottom during the beginning of the print. But I thought it was a pretty good thing. Since then, I've calibrated it better to print better things. My second print, which is pretty cool, are these little circles. I printed these separately, one each, and there's a slit in each so you can put them together. The slit is like it's a very mathematical distance. It's a function of the radius, where when you put them together, the center of gravity is in the same spot, so it rolls like a coin, except it doesn't fall over because it's on 2 points like that. So that's that. One of my more proud prints is this mag pouch. My brother is an avid gun owner. He owns a lot of guns. He has a CCW permit. And he requested I print this for him so that he could carry an extra mag whenever need be. It's the first one that I'm actually going to make money off of. He said he'd pay me for it if it turned out well, and I Snapchatted a picture to him, and he really liked it. So there is one screw up there. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It's not bonded right there, so it's a little stringy, but we could just cut those off with a wire cutter, no big deal. This one I sort of talked about in class a little bit. It's the Christmas tree base. Basically, it doesn't look like a Christmas tree yet, but it's very accurate in the way it printed. These two towers here, I don't know if you can see them in there. There's one right there. There's holes all the way through it, and it's perfect. Like, it's for the wires to fit through there. This is where the 9-volt battery is going to go, fit in right there. And it'll go, I mean, you can imagine a Christmas tree right here. It'll be with LED lights. It'll be pretty cool. So some future plans we have with my 3D printer. We're going to design and build a robot with Autodesk Inventor. It's going to be pretty cool. I don't know a whole lot about Autodesk Inventor, just from what I learned in eDesign. I'm sure a lot of you know that that's not a very good place to go to learn Autodesk Inventor. You just cover the basics. But I'm learning as I go, and it's going to be pretty cool. It's going to build a robot with a Raspberry Pi. All of my roommates actually are computer engineers, so they know how to program all that kind of thing. And it'll be pretty awesome. It's going to walk, it's going to stop, it'll be remote control. Pretty cool. Another thing we want to do is we're going to build a rocket. Just the body of the rocket with the 3D printer, and see how that works. Probably going to melt, but overall, honestly, I really recommend if you're interested in this kind of thing, if you like your engineering, if you like what you're learning, it ties everything together. It makes everything really interesting. If you have the money or whatever, if you can get the money somehow, then by all means, I recommend it. It's a pretty awesome thing. Someday, maybe if I sell prints, I can even break even or even turn into a profit. We'll see how it goes. Right now, it's just a hobby. So this is Ryan and Zach signing off.
Salutations, sirs.
All right.